Now that's 3 grams of bicarbonate of soda, which I'm adding to this. And after half an hour, it is ready. Check this one. That's the total. Tahini to be ice cold. 1, 2. Okay, and in the other one as well. Lemon salt. In each I will put 4 grams. And now the remaining ingredients I will measure directly in the bowl. Okay, so just this water, 100, that's important, otherwise it will get too runny. Now 100 grams tahini. It's very important for you to use very good tahini. The taste matters a lot, it's very important. 20 grams of olive oil. We'll put it in the refrigerator to cool down. Now the hummus has cooled down and I'm ready to make the final presentation. Super smooth, look. Super taste. And now I put za'atar and sumac. And now sumac in the periphery. Super smooth, extremely tasty, top restaurant quality from the best Arabic restaurant. Look, authentic, best recipe.